Good morning, Year 1, Thursday morning maths today. I hope all of you are doing okay, and I hope all of you are managing with all the tasks that I've set. Remember, if you need at any time, mummies, daddies or any other adult can contact me if you need to, if there's things that you are really finding challenging. I also like to hear about all the really good things as well. Okay, so it's always lovely to hear from any of you. Okay, now today, who can remind me what we were looking at yesterday with numbers? What were we doing? Have a think. Excellent, good. We were ordering numbers, weren't we? Who can remember the two ways that we ordered numbers? How did we order them? Good. We ordered them in ascending order, which was, if you're ascending, you're going up. So you're going from the smallest up to the biggest number. Okay. And what was the other way? Descending. Good. And that means you're going from the biggest number, the largest number, all the way down to the smallest number. Okay, so we've got ascending and descending. Okay, now very quickly, just a quick recap. See if you can, on a piece of paper or on a whiteboard, I would like you to show your adults how you would order these numbers from, we're going to go from largest to the smallest. Okay, so largest to smallest. How would you order these numbers? Okay, there they are. There are your 4 numbers. Write down how you would order them. Pause the video if you need to give you time to do it. I would also like you to explain to your adult how you're doing it. What have you done? What did you look at first to help you order the numbers? Good. So I'm hoping that you were able to tell the adult with you that you looked at the tens numbers first. So here's our tens number, here's our tens number, here's our tens number, and here's our tens number. Okay, so we can see this one's got 4 tens, this one's got 3 tens, this one's got 2 tens, and this one's got 3 tens. So can we straight away decide which one is the largest? Yes, we can, because this is the only one that has 4 tens. All the others have less. They have less tens, okay? This one has 4, so it's got to be the largest. Okay, so we're going to start with that number. Okay, that is our largest number. So we can cross that one off because we've used it. Okay, what now? 3 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens. Straight away I can see that both of these have 3 tens. This one has less, so it can't be this one. It's got to be one of these two. Which one is it and why? Explain which one and why. Okay, remember I said yesterday, if we can't order them just by looking at the tens, because they've got the same number of tens, we then need to look at the ones number. Okay, so if we look at the ones here and here, we can see straight away this one has 4 ones, this one has 9 ones. So which one is bigger? Which one is larger? This one, because it has 9 ones, whereas this one only has 4 ones. 9 is larger than 4, so it's got to be, this number has to be bigger. Okay, so we know that one, and then we know that the 34 must be next. Okay, so then straight away we can see which one is our smallest number, and that is 26. And there we have our numbers in order. Okay, we have them in descending order from the largest down to the smallest. Okay, well done year one. Now, what we're going to think about today, something slightly different, but what we did yesterday and what we've been doing all week will really help us with this. Okay, and I'm going to introduce you to a new mathematical sign today. Two new mathematical signs. Okay, now these are the two signs that we're going to be looking at today. Okay, now the way I always remember how these work is I always think of these as being a crocodile. Okay, so this is your crocodile mouth. Okay, so you can even imagine that he's got his teeth in there. Okay, so I always imagine these to be like crocodile mouths. Okay, but in maths they tell people which number is smaller and which number is larger. Okay, now the way to remember is the crocodile always likes to eat the biggest number. Okay, so the bigger number always comes at the side of the crocodile, that the crocodile mouth is open. Okay, so the bigger number always comes where his mouth is open. Okay, he likes to eat that bigger number. All right, so what we're going to do today is we're going to look at showing which number is the biggest and which is the smallest. Okay, we've done lots of ordering, we've done lots of looking at how many tens, how many ones, so we should be really good at seeing which is the biggest and which is the smallest number. Okay, now your job today is going to be to put the crocodile mouth in the right place. So looking at which number is bigger and which number is smaller. So for example, if I had these two numbers here, so we've got 42 and we've got 36. Which number's bigger? How do you know? Tell the adult next to you. Explain to them why. Explain how you know which number is bigger and which number is smaller. Think about how we've been doing it all week. What do we look at first? We look at the tens. Okay, so look carefully. How many tens are here? 4. How many tens are here? 3. So which number is bigger? This one, because it has 4 tens. Now remember that crocodile mouth. Which number did I say it likes to eat? It likes to eat the bigger number. So if I was to draw the crocodile mouth between these two numbers, which way would it be facing? Which way? Which number would the mouth be open to? Let's have a look. I'm going to put it in. There it is. Can you see his mouth? I haven't put the teeth in. Okay, but you can still see his open mouth is facing the bigger number. Okay, always faces the larger number. All right, so because this number was bigger, I've put his mouth open towards the bigger number. Okay, let's try another one together. And then I'll give you a few to do. Okay, we're going to have look at these two numbers. Look at them carefully. Which one is bigger and which one is smaller? Why? How do you know which is bigger and which is smaller? Okay, look at the tens, remember first. How many tens here and how many tens here? This one has 5 tens and this one has 6 tens. So which way is the crocodile mouth going to face? Which which number is the bigger number. Okay, let's put it in. See if you got it right. Did you get it right? Of course, the crocodile likes to eat the bigger number. So it's facing the one with 6 tens, 61, because 6 tens is more than 5 tens. Okay, excellent. Let's try one more trickier one. Okay, look at these two numbers. Okay, which way is the crocodile going to face? Which way is the crocodile mouth going to face? Have a think. Explain. Tell the adult next to you. Remember, we look at the tens first. This one's got 7 tens and this one's got 7 tens. So we can't tell just by looking at the tens, can we? What do we need to do next? Good, we need to look at the ones to help us know which one is bigger and which one is smaller. Okay, so look carefully. How many ones here? 9. And how many ones here? 6. So which way is the crocodile mouth going to face? You tell the adult. I'm going to put it in and see if you got it right. You ready? There we go. The crocodile mouth is facing 79 because it is bigger. It's got more ones, hasn't it? This has got 9 ones and this has only got 6 ones. So this is bigger. Okay. There is also another sign we can use because it becomes, if we had this, there isn't a number for the crocodile to eat because neither of them are bigger or smaller. They are the same. That means they are equal, and there's a clue in that word, equal. When two numbers are equal like that, you just put an equal sign in the middle. Okay, so no crocodile, just an equal sign. Okay, well, I'm going to put 3 on my whiteboard and I want you to pause your video when you've seen them and see if you can do them either on a piece of paper in your book or on a whiteboard and see if you get them correct. Which way is there we go. So look at those 3. Which way is the number going to face? The crocodile going to face. Look carefully at them. See if you can put the arrow in the crocodile face, or you might find that one doesn't need a crocodile mouth. Look carefully. Pause the video if you need to, and I'm going to put them in and see if you got them right. Okay, you ready? There we go. Can you see what Mrs. Dumont has done? So here you can see the crocodile is eating the bigger number because this one's only got 3 tens and this one's got 4 tens. Okay, this second one, the numbers are the same, they're equal. So we put the equal sign in. Okay, and then if we look at this last one, this one, they've both got 6 tens, haven't they? So then I needed to look at the ones. This one's got 4 and this one's got 7. So this one is larger. So the crocodile is eating it. Okay? So like I've done for the rest of the week, I have put some challenges on my PowerPoint for you to be finishing. Okay? What I'd like you to do is have a go at those. There will be some challenges. So there might be some 3-digit numbers there as well. Remember, the same as when we were ordering 3-digit numbers, look at the hundreds first, then the tens, then the ones before you put the crocodile in. Okay? Thank you for listening, Year 1, and I hope to see you tomorrow. If I don't see you tomorrow, well, actually, Year 1, I won't see you tomorrow, because tomorrow is something slightly different. So you wait and see what I put on for tomorrow. But I will be back to teach maths again next week. Take care. See you soon. Bye, Year 1.